now we are coming to another topic, today's topic, goals, objectives, strategies, and
Mm.
tactics. So, what are the goals? Goals are defined the general intentions and ambition of the business or any individual, but can be difficult to measure. Goal setting helps individuals and organizations motivate themselves towards the destination or achievement. What are the goals? What we want to achieve? It's very simple. In broader way,
Yes,
these are the
yes,
general intentions. Then what are the objectives? These are two interrelated terms. Even goals we want to achieve. Objectives we want to achieve. This is my objective. Today's what is the
no,
objective?
yes,
That have a session with Asma and transfer this communication and these skills to Asma, whatever I have.
yes,
This is the objective. Objective may be defined as what you need to achieve. The main difference between objective and goal is that objectives are precise actions or measurables, steps individuals and group to take move closer to the goal.
yes,
Goals are broader term, long
yes,
term,
yes,
while objectives, these are the precise actions and measurable steps individual can and groups take to
yes,
move closer to the goal. For example, my goal, for example, I want to have my own house.
yes,
Now, to build that house, I have to financially achieve certain objectives. Goal is to make a house, big objective, a big goal. For
yes,
that, I have to define different objective. Okay, I'm going to saving money this. I'm going to have additional amount this. I may invest in this project, so that I may have 8 to 10 million rupees.
yes,
Where can I have a small house or flat or ABC XYZ? So goals
yes,
and objectives, both we want to achieve, but objectives are precise actions, measurables.
yes,
Now, for example, a company may have a goal of becoming the most profitable advertising agency in the country. This is his goal.
yes,
Objective related to this goal might include increasing their new business sales by 5% each quarter. We
yes,
make a small objective. We may have a 5% increase in each quarter. Growing their market share by the set of
yes,
time frame, improving clients rates retention by 10%. That is another objective. But these all
yes,
our objectives are directing towards their goal where they want to be the most profitable advertising agency in the
yes,
country. So the goals and objectives. There are some example goals versus objectives which will further clarify. Goals are broad in nature, valuable for setting a general direction or vision, difficult to
yes,
measure,
yes,
abstract ideas,
yes,
longer term.
yes,
The end result, that is the end result goals basically. So, what are the examples of the goal? I want to become known as expert in business strategy.
yes,
That is my goal. I will commit to my career development and learn how to increase sales. I want to be
yes,
more confident. Objectives
yes,
are narrow in scope.
mm, yeah,
Specific steps associated with the schedule and the time frame to the end
yes,
result. Sorry.
yes.
Objectives are the means to the end result, that is goal, and these are
Easy
easy to
to
measure.
measure. Yeah,
Objectives are short term or medium term.
medium.
Examples may include I will speak at 5 conferences in next year.
Mm,
I won't go to example. I will come to the SMART objective. It was introduced by Mr. Tito Ran in 1981. It's very important. So I will, sorry, again I ask you, what is your objective right now?
My objective is to I improve my selling skills. Is to learn how to effectively speak with.
So normally when we ask this question in a group, so almost these questions, these answers are coming. I want
Okay.
to earn money.
Okay.
I want to get married. I
Okay.
want. Means I'm
Uh,
personally asking, what is your ultimate objective?
okay. Okay.
So there could be so many
What?
answers. Just these are an exercise. While
Yeah,
doing
yeah.
this exercise, I will then elaborate the smart objective. Then we will come back again to
Yes.
this because it's very important
Yes.
in your life, in your
Yes.
professional and personal as well.
Okay.
So 95% people are giving me answers like this. I want to grow.
Of the
It's a very common answer. I want
yes.
to
Or
develop myself.
yes.
This is another answer.
We will
You
do
said
that.
is
Yes.
to improve my selling skills, is to learn how to work, how to effectively speak with others. I want to earn money. I want to get married. I want to grow, etc., etc. These are the
Yeah.
different answers we used to get from a forum. Okay. Now
Yeah.
we will see, as per Mr. T. Doran, what is smart objective.
Yes.
By smart objective, it should be
Specific,
number one,
but
specific,
uh,
ambitious.
ambitious.
Two definitions to that. It means that
Yeah.
you have learned somewhere
Yeah.
in your classroom or
Yeah.
ABC, XYZ. It's very good. So, if you know this, do you think your objective is to improve my selling skill? Is it specific? Yes, it is a specific.
Yes, it is
Okay.
specific.
Another point, is it measurable?
Uh, yes, in some form.
So, what is measurable actually?
Measurable would be um I can't say time, but uh
Okay.
um
Is it ambitious?
ambitious is how you are like what is ambitious
So,
let me
don't get
think.
confused.
Are you like
Come to the word ambitious. And
ambitious
what is
with
ambitious actually?
ambition is more like when people say what is your ambition.
Okay. Ambition
um
definitely is from ambitious.
yes.
Ambition, for example, if I'm earning 10,000
Yes.
rupees a month
Yeah. Yes.
and I say I want to earn 1 lakh rupees per month,
Yes.
it is
That's your
ambitious.
ambition. Yes.
Ambitious, higher to certain
Yes.
level.
Yes.
Ambitious, higher to certain level.
Yes.
That is generally can be called as ambitious. If uh, athlete can jump 8 meters,
Yes.
and if we say I will jump 8.5,
Yes.
it is higher to the 8. Is it
Yes.
ambitious? You can jump
Yes.
8.5 meter. Why not you jump 20 meters?
Yeah.
So a person can jump 8 meters. His ambition is that he want to jump 20 meters long. Do you
Yes.
think is it realistic? Realistic. If I'm earning uh, 10,000 rupees and I told you I want to earn 1 lakh rupees in next month. It is
Yes.
ambitious. Is it realistic or not? So people will laugh. Yeah, so that is not. Maybe I
Yeah.
may go to the, what do you say, casino and put my 10,000. I may get
Yeah.
1 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
I may lose it. So I'm coming back to our objective. Why I'm taking a bit time on putting examples so that these terms should be clarified. Number one,
Yeah.
our objective should be specific. It should be
Yes.
measurable. By measurable, what I mean, take the previous example or this one. I want to earn money. Money. It is specific. Is it measurable? How much money you want to earn? Measurable by means scalable. You want to earn. Okay. If I
Yeah.
say, yeah, I want to earn lot of money. Okay, yeah, how much money? So when I answer that I want to earn 1 lakh rupees, it is measurable now. 1 lakh is scalable. Are you getting confused?
It's good.
I'm unable to. It is difficult to exercise, but very vital. Now
Yes.
let me give you. So you have to make your objective first of all smart. It should be specific. It should be measurable. It should be ambitious. It should be realistic and time bound. Time bound.
Yeah.
There are two definitions to it. It could be time bound as well.
Mm. Yeah. Time bound. Okay.
Okay, triggering an action or time bound.
Okay.
Okay, now coming back to the word ambitious. Ambitious, anything which move you work more harder.
Yes.
For example, if you can jump to the 5 meters, your
Yeah.
ambition 7 meters. This
Yes.
is even 20 meter, it is ambition, but it is not realistic for the first time. First you have to achieve 7 meters, then you may try for the 9 meters, 11 meters. I don't know, you may end up with the 20 meter or not. So
Yes.
always make an objective, it should be ambitious as well as realistic both. And in the end, it should be triggering an action or time bound. So if we revise our these objectives, is to
Yes.
my improve my selling skills in next 6 months.
Yes.
You want to improve selling skills,
Yeah.
specific, time bound,
In 6 months. Yeah.
right? Now let's take is to learn how to effectively speak with others in 2 weeks time. I want to earn 20,000 rupees more in next. I want to get married in coming year. If you
Yes.
are dealing a team, when you are visiting with them, so you may ask
Yes.
on daily basis, what is your objective today? And in
Yes.
response to that, normally a medical rep or your field force says, sir, I want to meet Dr. Zulfikar, Dr. Asma, Dr. this and this and this.
Yes.
So if you correct them there, okay, what is your today's objective? So if he answers you like this, sir, today I want to have a prescription from Dr. Fazal and Dr. Shehzad. For example, today I am targeting to have a 5 packs order from the market. Previously what he was saying that today my objective is to meet Doctor A, B, C, etc. or to visit
Mm.
this hospital.
Yes.
Is he back in his mind in this objective? Quantifying anything? That in the previous example, for example, he want to
Mm.
get a 5 packs order today. So
Yes.
to achieve that, he may have a list of the morning visits, of the evening visits.
Yes.
That is the
Yes.
plan. I
Yes.
will visit this hospital, I will go to this pharmacy, I may push this. This is a plan to achieve that, not the
Yes.
objective. So once you do the
Yes.
objective setting, you have to make a plan how to achieve it.
Yes.
So these are the intermixed terms. If he doesn't have back in his mind, and if you being senior marketing manager, ask him or her, look, we
Yes.
want to have 5 prescriptions today or 5 packs order today. How we are going
Yes.
to achieve it? Sit with him for 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, sir, this is the plan today. We will
Yes.
go to this doctor. We will go to this pharmacy, this hospital, this thing.
Yes.
This is the plan. We may achieve 5 packs order. And
Yes.
after the day
Yes.
closing, when you discuss again, okay, what was our objective today? 5 packs. Did we achieve that? Okay, good, great work. Why we did not achieve that? Go to the plan again. Did we make the right
Yes.
plan? Okay, if the right plan was made, was it executed correctly? Yes or no? Find out the gaps and then set the objective for the next day. Since we have mixed the 5 pack, we have only achieved 2 packs. So these 3 packs we will try to cover next day.
Okay.
This is how calculative marketing manager or sales manager or area manager moves.
Yeah.
And to the most of the field force nowadays, even their target is not clear. Whatever the target is given by the company, 100 packs, 200 packs, 5,000 packs, 10,000 packs, whatever, even they are not clear. Because why? In their seniors vocabulary, the word objective or the target is less. There are certain these interrelated terms. So by this table, I will try to illustrate that. Objective is the destination. What you need to achieve, for example, where you want to go. For
Yes.
example, you want to go Dubai. What is the
Mm.
strategy? Road. Which road will you adopt to go Dubai or Sharjah?
Yes.
There could be 2 or 3 possible roads. So you opted that okay, by this road I will go. So then what is the tactic? Tactic is the vehicle. Okay, I have opted this strategy that I will go by this road. I will go by motorbike or
Yes.
car or by bus or by any local conveyance. So these are the
Okay.
tactics you are using to achieve your objective.
Yes.
So objective, strategy, and then tactics.